Hey everyone, it's John Tech here and I'm back with another video. And also sorry for not uploading lately because of some personal issues. But anyways, I'm back and this time we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Note 22. So before starting, please hit that subscribe button. And now, let's jump into the video. So as you know that the Fold 3 will have the in-screen camera, and also they're saying that the Galaxy S22 will also be having an in-screen camera. So the Note 22 is the next lineup, and it will definitely be having the in-screen camera. And also Samsung needs to do a better job in that camera. It has to be more powerful than the previous selfie cameras, because then after that the Galaxy Note 22 will be a powerful phone. Also, the Galaxy Note 22 will have the 120 refresh rate. And also with that in-screen camera, the bezels are going to be more slimmer than the previous Note line. And it will have more wider and beautiful display. And the phone will also have a wider back camera lens, just like the Galaxy S22. And also the Galaxy Note 22 will have varieties of colors, which makes the Note line more interesting, because there are people that want to buy a phone in their own favorite color, and the Samsung is just doing a really great job by providing a different colors in a phone. And also the rumor says that the Galaxy Note 22 will have an improved GPU, which is going to be a 30% more powerful GPU than the previous phones. And also, as you know, that they had skipped the Galaxy Note 21, and it was happened because of the pandemic and some other issues. But for the next year they're coming back with the Galaxy Note 22, and also the people are expecting a lot more. And in my opinion, it should be an amazing phone. And just before the releasing of the Z Fold 3, the Samsung stated that the stretchable display is gonna be a next big thing. And so by that we can clearly notice that they are really working hard on the stretchable displays. It may not be a thing for the Note or S series, but that thing is coming for the future. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think about the video, and also comment down below what do you think about the Galaxy Note 22. And before you're leaving, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon.